How to temporarily deactivate Snapchat account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Snapchat account. So let's dive right in. Open up your Snapchat app and then go to your profile on the top left and then go to the gear icon on the top right. Scroll down and you will see delete account option under my account. Tap on it and then a new page will pop up. So, deactivating the account lasts for 30 days, during which users can reactivate it by simply logging back in. Otherwise, the account will be permanently deleted after 30 days. You just need to put in your username and password and hit continue, and the account will be deactivated. Just make sure that you log in before 30 days. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.